Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show how to accessing the UEFI BIOS setup. The first step is going to the start menu and select settings or type settings and hit enter. In this window, select scroll down and select update and security. In this menu, select recovery and select advanced startup. Startup from a device or disk. Change your PC firmware settings, change Windows startup settings, or restore Windows from a system image. This will restart your PC. Select Restart Now. Please wait. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options and click in UEFI firmware settings. Change settings in your PC UEFI firmware. Click in this option and restart for apply the change. The process might vary depending on your manufacturer. For example, MSI, Asus, HP, or Lenovo PC or laptop. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.